Hi everyone! The highly anticipated new BYD Seal 08 has finally arrived at the dealership. Online, many say this is the least BYD-like BYD of all. But to me, my very first impression of it is that its road presence is incredibly commanding. With a length of 5.15 meters and a width of nearly 2 meters, it easily possesses the stature of a true flagship. Yet its price is only $20,000 to $24,000. Isn't this an absolute class above disruptor? The new Seal 08 features the ocean aesthetics 2.0 design language, giving the entire body incredibly smooth lines. Looking at the paint, it uses premium BASF paint, which is the same type found on million-RMB luxury cars. Aside from this white color, there are various other colors to choose from, such as Acus Deep Sea Red and Poseidon Green. Furthermore, this paint offers a premium texture. Its gloss and transparency are simply outstanding. All four doors are electric soft close doors with just a gentle push. They pull themselves shut, giving you a full sense of premium occasion. Visual optimization has been done on the C-pillar. The quarter window has been moved onto the rear door so we won't feel cooped up when sitting in the back. The chassis is equipped with the DiSus-A dual-chamber air suspension and also features rear-wheel steering. Despite being such a large vehicle, its turning radius is actually smaller than that of a compact sedan, making U-turns or parking much easier. In addition, it features a crab walk mode when squeezing past another car on a narrow road. It can drive diagonally, saving you from having to back up and maneuver multiple times. In terms of power, it is available into different powertrain options, all-electric EV and plug-in hybrid PHEV. For the all-electric version, the maximum range can reach up to 905 kilometers. Meaning we can drive from Wuhan to Shanghai without needing to charge along the way. As for the plug-in hybrid version, its pure electric range alone can reach 400 kilometers, with a combined range of 1,660 kilometers on a full tank and full charge. Best of all, the Seal 08 is BYD's first plug-in hybrid sedan to support flash charging, getting ready in 5 minutes and fully charged in 9, which is practical, no different from refueling. Its intelligent driving assistance system is also fully equipped, with the entire lineup coming standard with the DiPilot smart driving system equipped with LiDAR. It includes both city navigation and highway navigation. Plus, for automatic parking and navigation, there is a double safety net policy. The materials used inside the cabin are exceptional, with over 90% wrapped in soft touch materials. Everywhere we can touch is soft. In addition, its audio system features 20 French Devialet speakers, making it feel as if we are sitting in a concert hall when listening to music in the car. Now, let's talk about another highlight, the seats. The front row features zero-gravity seats, allowing us to lie completely flat with just one touch. All four seats in the car are equipped with heating, ventilation, massage, and power adjustment. There's also an adjustable leg rest in the rear seats, instantly evoking a sense of luxury and comfort. Furthermore, the rear seats offer ample legroom, allowing you to easily and comfortably cross your legs. Previously, luxury features like air suspension, rear-wheel steering, LiDAR, and massage functions for all seats were exclusive to high-end vehicles. But now, the Seal 08 brings this price point down to the $20,000 range. With the new car having just been launched, there are tons of promotional benefits available. Would you like to come and experience it for yourself?